Good morning, dear students. Hope all of you are fine and doing well. We have finished the story The Last Leaf written by O. Henry. Today we are discussing the questions of the story The Last Leaf of Henry. What was the cause of Jonesy's illness? How could the illness be treated? What was the cause? Johnsy fell seriously ill and was bedridden because of pneumonia. Pneumonia, what do you mean by pneumonia? We have already learned it. Pneumonia means the lung infection. Her illness could be treated by bringing back hope in her life. Next question is, do you think the feeling of depression Johnsy has is common among teenagers? Yes, teenagers somehow fantasize the basic reality of life. They want to see the life through colored glasses. But as soon as the reality strikes on it, the teenager loses the hope. What was Behrman's dream? Did it come true? Behrman's dream was to create a masterpiece, in painting that could move heart and soul. Yes, he could materialize his dream when he painted the last leaf of the ivy creeper. How is the last leaf the artist's masterpiece? What makes you say so? The last leaf is surely the artist's masterpiece, as it looked so realistic that Johnsy and so thought it to be nature's creation. It is a masterpiece because it had the potential. It is a masterpiece because it had the potential to save someone's life by inducting faith, hope, and zeal in a person who had lost the desire to live. Now we have the language work given in our textbook. Explain the meaning of the following idiomatic expressions and frame sentences of your own. Make up one's mind. It means prepared in every sense. Let us use this in a sentence. You should make up your mind to crack the IS exams. That means you should be prepared for IS exams. Out of work. Out of work means none of your business. This is not your cup of tea, so it should be out of your work. Here we have next phrase. By leaps and bounds means without limits. By leaps and bounds I am with you. यानी कि I am supporting with you. My full support is with you. Pour out worries. To express feelings after keeping them secret or hidden. That is, they use it in a sentence. She poured out her worries to me. Shed leaves means autumn season. They shed leaves which symbolize loss of hope. Look after, to take care of somebody. She looked after him like his own son. Take after, to look or behave like an older member of your family. He takes after his mother. Tiptoe into, to walk carefully and stealthily into a room. She tiptoed into her sister's room. Draw the curtain. To reveal or hide something. Draw the curtain back or forward. Raise the curtain to reveal something. The fresh inquiry has raised the curtains from their fishy dealers. Okay, dear students, thank you for watching this video.